Okay. Takayla and Khaliya.
You forgot my name.
I always do. I forget your mama's name too. They're going to cut up some t-shirts.
It's going to be fire.
So, Takayla wants a little simple design. So right now she's folding this in half and matching up all the seams. It's got plain white t-shirts.
Yeah. I like mine's looking like dramatic.
And they don't like what I do. They don't like my fringes and stuff that
I used to wear stuff like that when I was
cut up.
Me too. Well, I was like in 6th grade, but you know, that trend is over.
Okay, she's gonna. Please don't cut your arm, because I don't want blood all over my table.
That's cutting.
She wanted it short.
Just short her. I'm scared.
Okay.
Oh, it's not the same.
All right. Now you want a little cut. Just one on one side.
Yeah.
Or first you're gonna cut the top.
Whatever. Yeah.
Okay. Now how is it? That's what she's going for. So it's a longer cut right below the neck. That's good. Lower it a little bit. You're gonna make a shorter cut.
Oh, me? A little bit more. One more.
It's not gonna be as long as this. It's gonna stop about right here. Okay, and the last one gonna be a little shorter. Wait a minute, let's space it right. Why didn't you cut up against the box edge? Tell me that.
I don't know.
All these supposed to be the same thickness.
Can you really tell? I don't know. Open the shirt up real quick. Let's see.
Do you want another cut? One more?
Yeah.
Wait, lower it a little. Okay. And cut that short. Okay, you're going to stretch it.
What else?
Pick it up. Okay. Oh, you're going to cut the other one too?
Yeah.
What side is it on?
The right. No, the left. But one mine's on the right.
Whatever side this cut is on?
Nah, the left. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're going to have to do it on this side now. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So you're going to... What do you think you're supposed to do?
Cut.
I mean, you're going to have to fold it some kind of way. You can't leave it like that and cut. What you think you're supposed to do, judging from what you've been doing?
Do it the same way this is, but just do it downward.
And you just want it in the front, right?
Yeah.
So just fold the front where you want the cuts.
Okay.
I don't know what this child doing over here.
I don't know what I'm doing either. I'm just cutting, honestly.
You just...
I said I like it dramatic.
Why you cut the whole shirt out? Oh my goodness.
That's what I wanted to do.
So what you wearing under it?
That's the what you call it?
She fast, girl.
The tube?
No.
That's the back? That's the front.
I cut the thing off.
So where you...
thinking cut this.
So you gotta wear a tube top?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh.
What?
You just need a roll of ace bandages or something.
Hey, you can have this, so you can try to make this into a tube top somehow.
Oh, that's cute. Can it fit me?
It's big.
Make it to a mini skirt.
I don't even want to make that into a YouTube.
You just messed up that shirt.
No, I didn't.
Okay, we're gonna see.
I told you she went simple like me.
Okay. Come on, my camera about to die.
Okay. All right. I don't know, Grandma.
Oh, Lord.
What?
You can eyeball it.
I need this box.
Okay. That's a shortcut. Plus the others are going to get longer. Just a
I'm a
very
devil.
shortcut. Okay, that's good. Okay, move it down a little. That's going to be a little longer. That's good. Next one a little longer. And you notice how many cuts are on that shirt on.
It's 3, but we're doing 4 now.
Okay. A little longer. Okay. And one more. Okay, she had to stretch the cuts she made.
I want this side.
Now she's gonna do the sleeves. Okay, what kind of design you want the sleeve? The same thing? You want the
Yeah.
you want the big part at the top?
This is cute. I just need to cut it.
I just want
to
to cut the edge of this, make a little cut in the shoulder.
And do what?
Like this.
Make a little cut in the shoulder and what?
That's it. Let's do 1, 2.
Oh, okay.
I just need a 2 top. I need to sew that thing.
Okay. What? That's all the cuts you're gonna do?
Yes. Do put this. If I cut half of it.
Stretch what you cut. Don't stretch the whole sleeve.
I'm not.
All right.
I'm talking about.
And then have it like that. I just need some sewy thingies.
Sewy thingies. You mean needle and thread?
Yes.
She's so slow.
Be quiet. You get a wig, don't know how to act.
This how I was acting before. I feel like I'm nicer now.
Do we have a needle and thread, Grandma?
I have to find it.
Okay. This is cute. Oh my gosh. I looked in the bathroom.
Mine's is done.
Mine was looking spliffy.
Oh, you just cutting one sleeve.
Yep.
That's cute.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I told you.
Nice and simple.
Yep.
I like mine's looking dramatic because I'm not a
Okay.
girly girl.
I'm not a girly girl either.
I need some.
Did you say I am a girly girl? I
So
don't
you
know
can't
what
put
said.
yours on because you get makeup all over.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see how long it is. Okay. You think you
See?
like it?
Yeah, it's nice and simple.
Yeah, like
You simple.
Yep.
Mine's cute and dramatic. I just need to.
Yeah, that's
Sew
all.
it.
That's why I only wear t-shirts. I don't.
Look at all these wigs this gal done brought in here. She had all of them in here. Now these in my family room chair. All on the floor. She gonna clean my living room up.